In today's video, I'll show you how to fix error RG45 at chess.com. This error can disrupt your gaming experience, but we'll focus on two straightforward solutions to get you back to playing. Error RG45 usually indicates a connectivity issue, often related to your network's IP address or a block preventing access to chess.com. Let's go through the steps to resolve this. I have two solutions for this. Solution one is to change your internet source. Let's get into this. One of the most common reasons for error RG45 is a problem with your current internet connection's IP address. If you are currently connected to a Wi-Fi network, try disconnecting from it and switching to your mobile phone's internet data. Mobile data connections often have different IP addresses, and they are frequently more stable and stronger compared to many public or home Wi-Fi networks, which can help bypass the issue. If mobile data isn't an option and you have access to another Wi-Fi network, like a friend's, a different network in your home, or a public hotspot, try connecting to that instead. This step helps to determine if the problem is specific to your current internet connection. Solution two is to try a different web browser. Sometimes the issue isn't with your internet, but with the web browser you are using. Open chess.com in another browser. If you are currently using one browser, for example, Google Chrome, close it and try opening chess.com in a completely different web browser like Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Safari if you are on Mac. Attempt to log in or play a game on chess.com using this new browser. This helps rule out any issues caused by your current browser settings, cache data, or extensions that might be interfering with chess.com. By trying these two solutions, you should be able to resolve error RG45 and get back to enjoying your chess matches without interruption. Thank you for watching this video.